Hello, my friends. My name is Alexandra, and I'm a student from the University of Michigan, and I'm so excited to be with you today because today we are going to be talking about circles and we are going to be drawing together. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So make sure you have a piece of paper, a pencil, or a crayon so we can draw together. Okay, so go ahead and pause this video if you need to and get the things that you need so we can draw together. Okay, so go ahead and pause it. I'll be right here waiting for you, and then we can get started. Okay, so I hope you have everything that you need so we can actually draw together. Okay, so today, like I said earlier, we are going to be talking about circles. Circles. So first and foremost, you see how this circle is completely smooth all the way around. There's no corners, there's no sharp points. See, it's just completely smooth all the way around. So believe it or not, you can actually find circles all over in the grocery store, in your home, anywhere. They're literally hiding everywhere. So I'm going to show you a few. So for instance, right next to me, I have this cute little pumpkin. And if you look at the bottom, it's a circle, right? It's maybe not as smooth as my drawing, but this is a circle. You see here? And then the bottom of my water bottle is a circle as well. You see, there's 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles, 4 circles. So this is a circle. So today we're going to be drawing some right now. So just know that our circles are always going to be different. They never come out the same every single time, so that's okay. So don't worry if they don't all look like this. This took me a lot of times to get it like this, okay? So you're going to put your writing utensil, your pencil, your crayon. So you're going to put it on your piece of paper like that. Oops, I made a line. So we're going to go ahead and just put it on our piece of paper where we're writing on. And we're going to put it, and then we're going to bring our hand all the way around and meet it. Okay? Did you see how I did that? Okay, let's do it again, okay? So put your marker, crayon, pencil. So we're going to put it right here on this dot. And we're going to go all the way around. See how all my circles look different? That's okay. They're all circles. Okay, so let's try this one more time before we start with our game, okay? So put a dot. That's where we're going to start, okay? And let's put another dot right next to it. You see how these 2 dots are right next to each other? Pretend this dot wants to go to this dot's house, okay? So we're going to start at the first dot, and he's going to go all the way around to meet his friend. You see, it's a little flat on the top, but we're going to do it one more time. I know I said that already, but we're going to do it one more time to make sure we're ready for our game. Okay, so we're going to put our dot, and we're going to go all the way around. Okay? Okay, are you ready for our game? So I'm going to be drawing something with circles. With a circle, and then you're gonna have to guess what it is. I'll give you some clues before I finish the drawing, and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna use a circle that I already have. Okay, so our first clue is that it's something yummy and sweet. Okay, so we have our circle, and then you can draw it with me, okay? So draw a circle, and then we're gonna draw a straight line down. So it looks like this. So remember our first clue, it's sweet and yummy. What's sweet and yummy and looks like this? Can you think of anything? So we're gonna do one more detail. We're gonna draw one more thing on this, and then we'll go ahead and guess, okay? So we have our circle, a straight line underneath the circle. See right here? And I'm going to draw a little bit of a difficult spiral. So if you can't do it, it's okay. So I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to go all the way around until I get to the very end. What does that look like to you? Sweet and yummy. And it has a straight line down, and it always looks different. It doesn't always look like this, but I'll give you a second to guess. What does that look like? Okay, if you guessed lollipop, you're correct. This is a lollipop. Obviously, every lollipop looks different, but as you can see, lollipops are usually a circle, and then there's a stick, and then the center is always different. So good job, everyone, with your lollipop drawings. I know it's a little hard, but do your best, okay? So I'm so proud of you guys for that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase my board. If you have another piece of paper or if you have space on your paper, go ahead and use the same one, okay? Okay, so are you ready for our next drawing? And make sure you're drawing with me so we can figure it out together, okay? And no worries if your drawings don't look like mine. Try your best and make them yours. That's the whole thing about drawing, is that everyone's drawings always look different, but the fact that they're different makes them special and makes them beautiful, okay? So for our next one, this is gonna be a fun one to draw. I'm gonna use 2 colors this time. So I'm using black, as you see here. So we're gonna draw a circle, okay? Just like we learned earlier. So we're gonna put our pen or crayon or pencil on our sheet of paper or wherever you're drawing. And we're gonna go all the way around. You see? And my line went over, but it's okay. I just took it out a little bit. So we're gonna draw our circle, right? Okay, so for our first clue, you might have this at home. You might have played with it before. And it's something that you throw, okay? So it's used in a certain sport. Let's see. It's used in a sport, okay? So next we're gonna draw another thing, and I'm gonna be using the color red. This is red, right? Okay. So we're gonna do 2 things. We're gonna make an arch. An arch looks like this. But don't worry if you don't know how to draw. It's okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go start from here and go all the way around like that. And then we're gonna do another one all the way around like that. Does that look like something that you know? Have you guys heard of the Tigers, Detroit Tigers? So they use this. So what team is the Detroit Tigers? What sport do they play? So after, we're gonna be drawing a couple lines like this. Now you're probably gonna guess what it is, right? So as you can see, we have our circle, and we have these lines, and then these little baby lines. Now that we're all done, can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a baseball. Have you played with any of these before? I used to love playing baseball back in the day, but you see a little baseball right there? Fun, huh? I know circles can be really fun to draw, and I know it can get maybe a little, you can maybe get a little sad when your circles don't always turn out the same, but that's okay. As you saw, all my circles look different, but that's okay. So make sure you practice your circles at home, and make sure you look around your home, and maybe you'll be surprised to see what circles you have laying around. Let me see. Even the bottom of this marker you see is a circle. Okay, and if you find a circle when you're at home or when you're outside with somebody, let someone know, okay? Show them how you know what circles are. They'll be very impressed. And I'm so proud of you, my friends. I'm sure all your drawings look so beautiful, and I wish I can see them. Okay, so in our next video, we're gonna be drawing another fun shape, triangles. So that's gonna be a lot of fun, and I can't wait until we can hang out again. And I hope you have an amazing day, and hope to see you soon. Okay, bye-bye, friends.